Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Adventures. I hope you're having a great day today. Maybe it's Monday, maybe it's Friday. Maybe you're starting the work week, maybe you're ending the work week. Maybe you're retired and you don't care what day it is. I don't know your situation, but here's the thing. If you're constantly looking forward to Friday and you dread Mondays, then you need to think about maybe exploring your options to do something else. You may be an entrepreneur, you may want to do real estate investing, you just don't know how. My opinion is get out there, make a plan, and make it happen. If you don't like your situation, if you don't like going to work on Monday, especially after a long holiday, I know who does, look at doing something different, but take action and make it happen. My opinion is you can learn everything you want to learn, but you got to take action and get out there and make it happen. Unfortunately, nobody else is going to do it for you. Nobody's going to do the work. But if you're committed, you want to make it happen, like real estate investing, you put yourself around the right people, you put yourself in the right place at the right time, you're going to find some deals. So get out there, make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.